Pang sapatos. Tingnan natin. Ooh.
What is this? What is this?
Oh!
What is that?
Yan ang kanilang awarding.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! It's so good!
Your shoes is coming for awarding. Para sa kanila, may trophy at medal, kundi may sapatos din sila. Lebron. Ready na ang shoes mo. Asan ang shoes mo?
Rafa said they're nice.
Tuwa yung mga bata, oh. May award ng shoes, Nike shoes.
Wait.
Say the name and Coach Cedric will just pick one box and give you the box. Sorry, there's no choices of what you whatever you get, alright? Because we got this from Nike, they've given us different sizes, different products. So I know some may want one product, not the other, but we don't have a choice, okay? So first, size 45.
You. Oh.
Definitely 40.5.
Oh, Lebron.
Oh my god!
Gusto mo?
A lot about you. Oh my god!
Anong size? Parang kasi sa akin yan, ah.
Can I see? Oh, that's good. Is it? I don't know. No, that's actually good.
That's yours? Giannis? Oh, it's a Giannis. Aya. Nice, Aya. What you got, Aya?
You have to put it on the app. What's again?
What you got, Giannis? Yes.
So I'm not opening this box. I'm not opening this box until I see it.
Malak!
Why?
Right!
We better get the same.
Lorraine!
We better get the same thing. Yeah!
Samantha!
Yes.
Yes!
Can we see it?
Ah, yun pala si Reyna. Yes!
Guys, like we're all No, who's 42.5 here?
Yo! Garimasen!
Well done, congratulations on the championship. This is a gift from Nike. Hopefully you enjoy it. Can we take one group photo, guys, please?
One group photo! You! Hey, one group photo. Show your shoes. Show, champion. Show it. Take it out. Take it out, man. Take it out.
Alright, I need a good photo first. And then you go. I need you guys to center in.
So weird.
Shane and I hardly see Rebecca, so I need you guys to move in slightly. Let's have.
Oh, nice, Rebecca.
No. We'll leave some people at the front. Yeah, that's good.
Sit there.
Kareem, wanna move in? Alright, so first me guys, everyone here, all eyes here first please. 1, 2, 3. And one more sideways, and then I'll let the parents go. Again, here again. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, line up with the parents now.
Oh, come on. Okay na. Okay na ba, Ma?
Mga sis nila. Woohoo.
Yeah, okay, good. One team. All right.
Where's Rebecca? Where's Rebecca?
First,
Rebecca!
you guys complete?
Next season again. For the shoes. Ang ganda ng mga shoes nila, mga lodi. Mga nag-champion sa 12 view. Imagine, meron silang award na shoes. Ganda.
Sorry. Why does it look weird? This one looks fat.
Yeah.
Sell it.
But you will regret it if you say that. The insoles are so bad if you get other shoes.
Hey! Sige lang.
Oy, sino yung
Yes.
It's impossible to solve this. Oh yeah. I did it.
Congrats!
It's what makes it for me.
Ito na sa kanya, Jordan.
Okay, now you're happy about your shoes. Now so make this.
Yan ang kanilang award ngayon. Hindi lang trophy at medalya at ring, kundi pati sapatos. May award. Wow! Ganda naman yan! Jason Teto. Jason. Jordan Tatum.
Good champion, huh? Can these guys clean the
Ah,
area? So
Oh, yeah, one more. Yes. Here.
Siya lang yung 12 years old, right?
no.
So that's fine. 11. So 12.
Nagkakaparehas pala yung iba.
Nice one. That's so cool.
Maliit ba? Maliit? Ay, maliit na. Wala na. Wala na. Hindi na kasi yung maliit. Lalaki ka pa. Wala na. Bigay mo na sa atin mo yan.
Okay, come on.
At wow, mga bata. May sapatos na bago. Ganito magpaliga ang DAA. Oh, bye!
Bye.
May dala silang mga sapatos. Mukhang maliit nga, no? Parang kay,
Size 9 eh.
no, parang kay ate na kasya.
Size 9 women.
Yun din, meron din pala sa ka. Uwi na. Bye-bye, Shane. Nakagianis ka.
Ano ka, Box? Upload ko yung mga video sa games Alam na Nakasubscribe na ako.
Yung ano nga pinost ko na nga
Yung?
Yung ano nila, practice.
Ay, practice.
Sa Pinay Gilas.
Nasa Pinagilas?
Oo.